Hi Florida Palette followers, we are here at the Aloft Orlando Downtown Hotel and we wanted to show you our room. We're on the 6th floor. This is room 610. Come on in. So when you walk in, you have a very spacious room, but I must admit I was a little bit surprised by the setup. It looks more like a college suite or in a dorm room, but you have a desk, you have a TV, and you have some like lounge chairs to sit in. So it doesn't seem like it's more of a romantic feel, maybe if you're here on a business trip or you're here with a couple of your friends. So keep going. So the bathroom's set up a little bit differently than we normally see. You do have your sink. Below it, you have a fridge, which we thought that was a little bit odd. But if you find the space, let's put it in there, right? If you can turn towards the other side, you're going to see that they have a safe, some drawers, and you also have a closet area. As you walk further in, you have a toilet here and you have the shower. There's no tub, it's more of a standalone shower, and it is pretty basic. So we're gonna take a shower tonight and let you guys know in our review what we think about the pressure. So you have almost like a hallway coming down through the room, and as you walk further, you do have a bed in the room. You have a television that swivels around, so you can either watch TV from your bed or watch it from the other side. There's definitely lots of seating space because we had seats in the front room, you can sit on the bed, and then when you come a little bit further, you can actually have 2 other lounge chairs that's in the room too. So you can have like a little mini party in here if you wanted to. Since we're on the 6th floor, you do have a view of downtown, so I wanted you to take a peek at your view.